Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make my Facebook account not searchable. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we're gonna need to do is to open our Facebook app and then go to menu and go to settings and privacy. Click settings and then click privacy and check app. Now click the how people can find you on Facebook and then continue. Now you can select whether everyone can send you a friend request or the friends of friends and click next. You can also edit that and click next. Now you can turn that off if you don't want your account to be searchable. Now click next. And that's it everyone. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.